Have you seen this advertised on your social media account? Then might take a look this video as I unbox, test and showing a sample video using this device. I purchased this on Temu around €20, an ultra-compact body camera with 1080p resolution. We'll check it later if it really has. So how long the battery would last? Then please watch this video till the end. But before that, let me unbox first. As you notice, the packaging describes that this device is designed for outdoor experiences. Well, the sample video will explain that. Opening the box, the first thing is the device. But let's check this later. Then this user manual. And since the instructions in the manual aren't that as clear, then I will be demonstrating how this buttons works and its function. Then this Type-C charging cable. And of course, the device. This is very light in weight, and it is made of plastic, with LCD screen. As you can see, it has a printed 1080p resolution, so let's check it later if it really has. And the side of it are the buttons, so then let's familiarize first its function. On this side, you will have the microphone, menu key, reset button, audio recording key, return key, card slot. On this side, you will have the video recording key, power button, zoom out key, zoom in key, rotation lens key, shutter or black and white photography button. At the back, you will have 3 options to attach either clip, magnetic support, or the tripod attachment. The good thing of this is the camera is rotatable up to 180 degrees. In my case, I want this to be discrete, so I don't want the screen to be recognizable. Then this is how to use this device. To turn on, press and hold till you will hear this sound. To take video, slide this button going to camera icon. Then you will notice the video is on progress when the timer is working already. The zooming function of my device is a bit confusing. The upper button is for zoom out, and down of it is for zooming in. This key is not only for zooming, this serves also as scrolling of save items, and menu selection as well. Well, the video will automatically save depending upon how long you set the time. But if you wanted to stop the video, then slide this button going to save icon, then the video timer is no longer working. So if you wanted to take pictures instead, this button like a crescent icon serves as a shutter. You will notice if you are in a photo mode when you see this photo icon instead of a timer. Still, zooming is applicable in photo mode. Be reminded that this is only 1080p resolution, so expect that zooming in makes the picture much more pixelated. And if you wanted a monochromatic or grayscale photography, then press and hold till this icon appears and the color resolution is in gray color. And if you just want to record an audio only, then this is how to do it. On this side, a mic icon is for audio recording. And to stop recording, just slide this button going to a save icon. To access the menu, press this M button. Then for scrolling, short press the arrow down or arrow up, and press the power button for OK. To return to its function, then short press the M button again. To access the save files, then press and hold this arrow back icon button until the files appears. Then press to scroll down or up to view the desired files you want to recap. Then press OK to play. And that's it for the buttons. Now it's time to figure out how long the battery will last. The moment you plug in, the device will automatically turn on, so I suggest to turn it off while it is charging. When it is charging, the red light indicator is on. Well, for an hour of charging, I got the 1000 battery power capacity, and as you can see it weighs only 61 grams. So carrying this all day is not an issue, but of course it will depend upon how long the battery will last. And when the battery is full, the red light indicator is off. And indeed what is written in the box, that 1000 milliamperes battery capacity, is correct. And here's the sample video of night and day footage. Let me know your opinion about these sample videos. Please write it down below. Well, for me using this at night is great. It is very clear and has smoother footage. Night vision really works well in this device. Just a reminder, this is not powered by Wi-Fi, so transferring of saved data is through micro SD card slot going to your laptop or PC. In daytime, video is an average. Color contrast is a bit saturated. Well, as I told you earlier, this is just a body camera which intended for security purposes only, not for blogging purposes. And considered as well the price, so don't expect too much. Using this while riding on the bike or motorcycle is okay, but while walking it is shaky, and in my test, it lasts almost 6 hours in my usage. And that's it. If you reached to this video, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know your comments as well.